Namaskar, my dear young friends. In this video, I am going to explain IP Sample Question Paper 2021. So, in previous video, I have discussed the 1 mark questions, that is from part A. Now, in this video, I am going to discuss part B, section 1, 2 marks question. So, here they have given question number 24 to question number 33 of 2 marks. So, in this, I am going to discuss all questions with their possible answers or suggested answers by CBSE. So let me begin. Myself Sanjay Parmar. I welcome you all on my channel TutorialAICSIP IP. So let us begin. So question number 24. Consider a given series M1 index. These are the index term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Marks 45, 65, 24, 89. Write a program in Python Pandas to create the series. So solution is provided like this. Import Pandas as PDs. So this is the first statement that you have to write whenever you are going to series or data frame. So in Pandas, this is the most important statement. So for this you will get half mark. Here they have written half mark for import statement. After that, declare one dictionary object as given in the question. Here they have given M1, M in capitals. So the same way I have written M1. So just look it out there. M1 equal to, and this M1 is not required actually. M1 equal to pd.series. Then this number you can provide in a list form like this. Index equal to term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Another answer you can write in this manner also. First you declare the series L equal to, then write down all the numbers. These numbers you can write. Let me copy and paste over here. Some extra symbols also coming inside. This comma, remove this bracket also remove, and this also. After that, capital M1 equal to PD dot series. And here in pd.series you can write L, that is list object. After that, index equal to, then specify this term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Case sensitivity you can go for as given in the question. I have taken this answer from the solution, but here we need to remember this thing. Whatever words they have given in table, that we will write here. So I am writing the same thing whatever provided in the question. So question they have provided term 1 T capital, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, and like this. So this way you can write. So this can be the correct answer. First import Pandas as PD. This also you can write, or this will be also the correct answer. So from list you can create a series in this manner. If you want to learn more, I have already uploaded videos and I have written the notes in my blog website. The link you will get in description. Go there, watch it or read it and prepare yourself. Now the marks distributions are like something like this. Half mark for import statement, half mark for usage of series, means this method series function we can say. Then half mark for stating index as a list, this half mark for this here equal to, okay, so half mark for this. Then half mark for creating object M1, half mark for this. So total 2 marks of this question. Let's move ahead. Question number 25. State any 2 differences between single row functions and multiple row functions. So here 2 differences you have to write. Single row functions and multiple row functions. These questions is asked from MySQL part. This is the part of MySQL topic. So here they have given, this is suggested answer given by CBSE. Single row functions work on one row only, whereas multiple row functions works on group rows. Single row functions return one output per row, whereas multiple row functions return only one output for a specified group of rows. So this is the suggested answer. You can write any point, whatever you know, that you can continue, or you can write in that manner. But the main thing is that whenever you are using single row functions will be applicable to single rows only. Multiple row functions applicable on group of rows, means all rows or some of the rows it can be applicable. Single row functions return one output, means only one output, like average, max, minimum. So if you have 15 rows, but average will be only one value. Whenever you have 10 rows, average will be one value, or sum will be one value only. So in that case, you can use that type of function, and those are considered as single row functions. And multiple row functions that operated on multiple rows. So there will be different rows. Okay, so like that you can use. So you can write in this manner. For 1 point, 1 mark will be given. Or they have given internal choice over here. In or, what is the difference between the order by and group by clause when used along with select statement? Explain with an example. So here first let me explain this answer what they have provided. The order by clause is used to show the contents of table or relation in a sorted manner with respect to column mentioned after the order by clause. The contents of the column can be arranged in ascending or descending order. So this they have given for order by clause. How it is used? See, this is the main part of this particular order by clause. Order by clause we are using for sorting the records. That you have to remember. Whatever table you have, if you are going to sort them, if you want to rearrange data according to ascending or descending order, then you can use order by clause. How it can be used? Here I will show you example. First you write like this, select, then column list, whatever you are using, from table name, suppose EMP. Then you can use order by. Then order by column name, suppose salary. So like this you can use in MySQL. This is the command. Okay. More I will explain when I will start MySQL part in my YouTube channel. Okay. The next explanation for group by. The group by clause is used to group rows in a given column and then apply an aggregate functions, example max, min, etc. on the entire group. So first they will apply group by, and whenever you are using group by, you have to remember one thing: the column name you have to provide properly by which you want to group them. So that column name should be provided. So it can be written in this manner: select, then suppose you are going to group the records from DEPT number, so that you have to write department number, then max salary, you are going to retrieve maximum salary according to department number from table name, then you can write group by. So here you have to be very careful. Group by with column name, DEPT number. So you have to use the same column name whatever you are using in select clause. Okay, more information I will explain you when I will start my SQL topic and group by topic. So I hope you understand this concept. So you can write in this manner, you will get the relevant marks accordingly. 1 mark for order by clause and 1 mark for group by clause. You add example, that will be better. They have not added example over here, but you can write example. So by example they will give you marks properly. If you have missed something or if you have not written answer properly, sometimes examples are more beneficial in that case. So by example they can understand you are well aware about this concept. So example you have to write in such questions. So write example and then explain the example also. You first write example and then explain, simply explain it. That can be also valid answer, no problem at all. So that in that way also you can write, and that will give a good impression to the checker. If checker is practical savvy or he likes the concept of practicals, then he will definitely give you marks, he or she, whoever there, because in this subject practicals are more important than theory. If you write this concept, rather than if you write this example first and then you explain this example, then it will be very relevant to this concept. So there's explanation should be like this, why you have used order by clause, so that you can mention like that. In above example, I have sorted my columns according to salary from employee table, and then you can write that sorted manner how it is, and order by, then DSC or ASC will come. So by default ASC will not come, because by default it is coming in ascending order only, and whenever you want to display in descending order, you have to use this keyword, DESC. So like that you can write first example and then you can explain. That is also correct answer. There is no problem at all and you will get the full marks. So here correct explanation 1 mark and appropriate example. See here they have already given, but example they have not written in this. Example they have given like this. So this is the correct example, you can write in this manner. I will suggest you will write in this manner only. Okay, then question number 26. Consider the decimal number x with value 8459.2654. Write commands in SQL to round it off to a whole number, round it to two places before the decimal. If you have watched my part 1, I have explained this concept in part 1 itself. Okay, and here also I will repeat it, no problem at all. So here select round, then they have written 8459.2654, okay, without any decimal number. So that will be giving the output like decimal number x with value this only. Okay, so they have written in this manner. So round it off to a whole number. So first answer they have given like this, so it will round it off your number. The output will be 8459. And second, round it off two places before the decimal, means before the decimal point over here. So you want to skip these two numbers. So in that manner you can write negative numbers like this. -1 ignore first number, -2 ignores first two places, first two positions, like that. So the answer will be 8400. So like that you can use. Then consider the following series object as underscore amount. So they have given the series object as underscore amount, table 350, chair 200, sofa 800 and stool 150. Now write the command which will display the name of the furniture having rent greater than 250. So it is very simple. Whenever you want to print something, you have to use the relational operator. And we have series here, so you can write in this manner. S underscore amount, that will be taking all the values like 350, 200, 800 and 150. Out of them we are going to check which value is greater than 250. So in that manner you can write like this, nested series. So that nested form you can use here and that will be give the result. More I have already explained in my notes that you can check. Even on my blog also you will get so many programs. I have written more than 25 programs in this series. Okay, so that you can check. Then number 2, write the command to name the series as furniture. So s underscore amount dot name furniture. So here they have written name dot furniture. So furniture is the series as furniture. So furniture is the name. So that's why we have used s underscore amt dot name. Name is property and this is the value. So in that manner you can use object series underscore amount dot name. Question number 28. Anjali writes the following command with respect to a table employee having fields EMP number, name, department, commission. Let me show you where I have uploaded my videos so that you can get it easily. So here from YouTube you can go to my channel, you can type here TutorialAICSIP. So you will get on the first link only, this one, that you can use. Open it, then you will get videos from over here. So whatever videos I have uploaded, go to video section and here you will get all the videos. Find out that video or you can check this playlist also. Complete section I have added for class 12. This is CBSE class 12 Informatics Practices. These all are my playlist. You can watch that. You will find the answer and explanation for these all type of questions. Okay, and topic also. Question number 28. Anjali writes the following commands with respect to a table employee having fields EMP number, name, department and commission. So here they have given Anjali writes the command. So somebody has written the command to retrieve the field, but she is not getting the exact output. That is the main thing. So we have to explain why she is not getting the output. So first, select count start from employee, select count commission from employee. So in bracket here she had provided one column name, and here she had provided star. So she gets the output as 4 for the first command, but gets an output 3 for the second command. Explain the output with justification. So it is very simple. Whenever we are using count star, so what it will do, count star counts all the values including null values. So here it will consider null values also. Whereas count commission counts not null values, means wherever null values are there, it will ignore the values and then it will count. So it can be possible in that table she had one value as a null, so that is ignored in count commission. So that is the main reason. You can write in your own words, there is no problem at all. Or you can draw a table and you can show that list particular by highlighting null and not null values. Question number 29. Consider the following SQL string preoccupied. Write commands to display occupied and cup. So this manner you have to print the output. So if you are enjoying this video and if you understand these concepts, hit the like button and share with your friends. Okay, and you can ask your doubt in the comment section as well. So let me explain this answer. First, the word is preoccupied. Out of them, now they want output as occupied. So first you have to consider like this, occupied. So occupied word, it is starting from where? So that you have to consider. And then there is one function, math and string function. You can use this sub-str. Okay, so here sub-str, then you have to take this one, preoccupied. So substring will return from starting that letter, from which letter you want to start. So here you want to start from O, so that is starting from fourth letter. So that's why this argument is given as a 4. So whenever you are using substring, in this manner you can print the value. So here they have written select sub-str, preoccupied and 4. Similar way you can use substring function also, and the arguments will be the similar. So here also they have written 4, so that PRE 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the index is not starting for 0. Always remember, whenever you are using some functions in MySQL, some functions in Python, some differences may be there. So that you have to consider accordingly and you have to remember the concept. Or you can write somewhere as a notes as key points, so that you have to remember. So here you cannot provide 3, otherwise it will start from E. So here they have asked occupied. So that is from fourth letter. So in sub-str function, it will return starting point from left side, means from that letter 4, so fourth letter. Then another function is there, mid. It is also used in similar way, preoccupied, then 4. Only the function name is changed, rest everything will be similar. Or you can write in reverse form, use write function in reverse form. So here write, then they have given one bracket, there they have not provided any argument over here, and they have written like this, see, preoccupied, then here double quotes and all. So this I have copied from that particular website, but this is not correct. Okay, because here double quotes are coming 2 times. So here it may be confused. So what you can do is you can use in this manner, preoccupied, then double quotes. So that will be the space. Here we need 2 arguments. So write letters from 8 side. 8 letters from right side. So here these brackets are not required, I think. So like this also you can write preoccupied. So 8 letters from right side. So it will start from the reverse order and it will print the value occupied. So that characters you have to count. Okay. So next B. In B we want cup. So same way you can use substring str. Now see, here sub-str is used in another form, means from starting point to end. So here we want cup. So count the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cup. the C of cup is starting from 6 letter, so that we have written over here, and P, so 3, so like that. So from 6 to 3, this is the first. The second example like similar only, and then here mid function. So mid function can be written in this way: mid preoccupied 6, 3. So like this you can write. Now, or consider the same string preoccupied, write the commands to display the position of substring cup in the string occupied and the 4 letters of the string. So like this, whenever you want to check that particular letter position, then you can use this in str. In str means it is going to check from where your word is starting. So in str, preoccupied, then single quote or double quote, whatever you write, that is okay. Preoccupied, then cup, from where the cup word is starting. Okay, if you mention only C, then it will consider this first one. Okay, but here we want to know cup, from where the word cup is starting. So here you provide that particular word. Then select left, preoccupied 4. So first 4 letters. Whenever you are going to check the first letters, you can write in this manner, first 4 letters. So left function will be used. Similarly, if you want to write the last letters, then you can use right. And if you are going to find letters from in between string, you can write that particular mid. Okay, so similarly you can use this function. Question number 30. Consider the following data frame, class frame. Write commands to do: add a new column activity to the data frame, add a new row with values 5, Mridula, X, F, 9.8 and science. So this we have to write. So they have given in this manner: class frame activity, swimming, dancing, cricket, singing. Class frame dot loc st5 1 Mridula, X, F, 9.8 science. So this way you can write, you can add a column and you can add a row. For more explanation, I have already uploaded a video on the same concept with the question answer also. Let me show you. So here in this series you will get the same video for add rows and columns. So here you can see operations on rows and columns. Select and access data, how to add rows and columns. This video is there. So this video you can see, or you can find out in video section. Go to video section. This video is started. Go to video section and find out this video, how to add rows and columns. So here when you come here, you will get that what is CSV concept. Okay, delete class, delete rows, delete. Okay. Select access, how to add rows. This video is there. So this video you can watch. So here I have explained all the methods related to this one, how to add rows and column. Or if you want to read the notes is already given over here. In this you can check that notes. Okay, so from here you can check. Here the link is provided, that is a different link, so that I will update right now and I will give you the exact link for reading notes. So here I have given different options, you can see here. Okay, add new row, add, and this all I have explained in complete form. So you can watch this video to understand the concept as well. So that also you can write. There is only not a single way to add a column. So here they have given this one, but you can use any method. Like you can use add columns method, then properties, then some of other methods are there. What are there? That you have to watch that video. In that video I have explained it clearly and with easy explanation. So watch that video and understand how you can add column, and you can write in comment section what concepts I have explained there to add column. Okay, so write those all answers in comment. So that also you can consider any one. Let me explain the next question. Explain the following term related to computer networks: SMTP, POP, FTP and VoIP. So here we have to explain this. These are the protocols So first SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Next is POP. Next is FTP and VoIP. POP means point to point protocol. Here I think they have written this is wrong, because not we can say wrong, but another also is there, that is post office protocol. As per my knowledge, this is related to email. It is working like post office. So post office protocol is there. That also you can write. That is correct answer. Then FTP, file transfer protocol. It is responsible for transferring the file from one computer to another. Then VoIP, voice over internet protocol. So this I will explain when I will start networking concept on my YouTube channel. So till then you have to wait, or these are the full forms. So in POP only you can write point to point or post office protocol. Question number 32, list any two health hazards related to excessive use of technology. So this answer you can write as per your choice, because there are so many hazards that you can consider. What they have given, let me explain. The continuous use of devices like smartphones, computer, desktop, laptops, headphones, etc. cause a lot of health hazards if not addressed. So impact on bones and joints, wrong posture or long hours of sitting in an uncomfortable position can cause muscles or bone injury. So for that, what you have to do, you have to perform some of the activity while doing that task also. You can just watch, look here and there after few minutes. Okay, not constantly on the screen. Even if you are playing the games, I have seen many students are playing game, they are not looking anywhere, just they are focusing on the mobile only. So that is not the correct way. After some time you have to stop that screen, or you have to look at the surrounding objects, whatever there, so that you can look. Then after that, sometime you have to stand up from your place, you have to just roam here and there, just you can continue your class. Even I am suggesting to my students also, if you are attending any class, then after 10-15 minutes or something, you can take a round in your room, or you can just change your position. You cannot sit like same for the continuously long time. So that will be beneficial for you. Second, impact on hearing. Using headphones or earphones for a prolonged time and on a high volume can cause hearing problems, and in severe case hearing impairments. That you know very well, and I have seen that many students having habits to listening song for long times. But that is okay, no problem. You can listen the songs long hours, no problem. But the bad habit is you are listening that with high volume. So that should not be there. After some time you just remove that headphone, and then you can hear the noise of the natural objects, whatever noise is coming there. So that also you have to hear, or you have to hear the song of nature. Somewhere you go outside and listen the song, what the birds are singing, means whatever voices are coming, sound are coming, you just go to the surrounding places like park, or somewhere if you are staying in some villages, or if you are living with city, so somewhere you have to find the place where you can see this bird and you can hear the natural songs. So that also beneficial for you. Then impact on eyes, that is very important. This is most common form of health hazard, as prolonged hours of screen time and can lead to extreme strain in the eyes. At least you have to keep the distance 1 meter from your computer screen to laptop, or if you are using mobile, it should be 1 feet. So like that you can use your mobile. It should not be very near to your eyes, otherwise this will be the problem. At evening also I have seen many students having the habit that they are covering their body with that particular rajai, and then they are watching in that mobile. So that darkness is there and you are using this light there. So that is also bad habit. Use proper lighting whenever you are using mobile. Even it should not be checked in dim light also. I am also doing the same thing. If I want to use mobile, I just switch on the light, then I will starting my mobile and I am looking in this mobile. So that should be good habit for your eyes. So save your eyes. Sleep problem. If you are giving more time on computers and mobile devices, so this problem may come, sleep problem. Okay, so bright light from computer device block a hormone called melatonin, which help us sleep. Thus, we can experience sleep disorders leading to short sleep cycles. So you have to make a schedule at what time you should go for the sleep. Because I have seen many students are online up to at night 11, 11:30, 12. Some of the students I have seen at 1 o'clock at night. So that is very bad habit. That is sleep problem. If schools are not running right now, then also you have to make your schedule and you have to follow the schedule with a proper discipline and proper spirit also. So in that way you can save your body. So that is the most important part. Otherwise it will create so many problems. If you are not sleeping properly, if you are not following any rules, regulations for your life, then that will be a big problem for you. So always make a plan and act accordingly. So let me move to the last question of this video. That is question number 33. Priyanka is using her internet connection to book a flight ticket. This is a classic example of leaving a trail of web activities carried by her. What do we call this type of activity? What is the risk involved by such kind of activity? So we call this type of activity as digital footprints. Okay, so see what she is doing, internet connection and booking a flight ticket. Now, after leaving a trail of web activities carried by her, okay, so what do we call? Means this leaving this activity. So what it is called? It is considered as digital footprints. Risk involved. It includes website we visit, emails we send, and any information we submit online, etc., along with the computer's IP address, location, and other device specific details. Such data could be used for targeted advertisement or could also be misused or exploited. Okay, so that can be the risk. If any session you have started and you are leaving that particular session, then these all informations are already stored in that. So that can be some of the organizations maybe use this data for advertisement. Some of them may be misuse also. Some of them may be exploit also. So this is the risk for using this session. So that's why it is suggested whenever you are doing such activity, log out your account, clear your history from that particular computer if there are more than one user in that particular computer. Okay, so I hope you understand all the answers. If you are understanding my language, my way of explanation, then share your token of love by hitting the like button and sharing this video. And please comment your views about this video. Your views, I want to know how you are feeling about my videos. So that also you can comment. Thank you very much for watching this video. The last message I want to give, that is like and share the video with your friends. Comment your views about the video. If you are watching the channel first time, you are watching my video first time, hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification icon to get notified. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.